me into pieces. I better jump right now. I think the left headlight is broken. Sure enough. Good thing I have a bulb left. I can fix up the car. Yep, now it's okay. There's a woodpecker. He is crying because he has no more trees to peck at. Woodpecker, shall I take you with me to the jungle? Come on, hop in. La 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 la. The jungle is on the other side of the world. The sea! How are we gonna get across? Oh, he's hungry. We better give him a piece of bread. Tup, tup. Tup, 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 tup. Boom, 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 boom. Quick! Here's a little baby elephant who's drowning. Spider. It spins a web that no one can see, so people get caught in it. Quick, woodpecker, and be sure to bring it with you. a jungle river. The king is crying because a crocodile ate his horse. Come on, I'll drive you back to your palace. The animals want to stay in the jungle because it's such a wonderful place.
The king doesn't know the way back to his castle.
Great, a giraffe. Giraffe, can you see the palace? Thank you, Giraffe.
Mount.
I think I'll go inside too, and then maybe I can take a walk with the princess.
Now Alexander is very happy.
Just a minute. I'd like to show you some tricks. Now the headlight is broken again.
Alexander asks the princess if she has a light bulb, but she says here we have only the stars.
I'll throw fireflies into the air to call all the animals. The giraffe sees them right away. So the dog won't see us. Sneak away. Here we are, home again. Now I'll have to hurry because I've got a lot to do. Bye. Bye, little woodpecker. You to the jungle. There you'll have lots of trees to peck. And tomorrow I'll come and see you. Really, I promise. Because now I have a car.